Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I have the big old 15-pound bag of blue buffalo that our puppy just loves. Now this is the small bite adult chicken and brown rice recipe, and I have to say she really loves it. She is a small dog, as you can see, and the small pieces are just right for her tiny little mouth. Here's a look at what the dog food looks like. So you can see they're nice small bites. And what I love about the Blue Buffalo brand is that the ingredients are just so good for the dog. They love the taste of it, and I feel like I'm giving my doggie something healthy and something that's good for her. If you have a small pup and you want to feed them great food, I definitely would recommend the Blue Buffalo brand and getting the small bites. And that is my point of view.